Good morning, everybody. It's 1 minute to the cash market open here. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, James. Jim, good morning. Ravinda, good morning. Stephen, good morning. Omer, good morning. I got out quick too. Okay, let me see if I can find another one here. So that was a captain set up short. I was trying to get at 09 and make 5 points. That didn't happen here. Let's see if I can get in again. Which is 627 by 37 and harmony zone number 252 by 62. We have Globex is at 677. Good morning. Born Thor, good morning. Okay, so let's see how well they handle the test of harmony zone number 1. Lion Fed, good morning. We had harmony zone number 1 and to the tick and came back and sold off. That's a good thing to see. All right, let's just be patient and wait and see how we can read this market. Next targets are 577. That's the target we're looking for, 577. Let's see if we can get a rally back up. Just price action right now. Really, there's nothing, no reason, there's no news coming out. $577 is the next target. We're right in the middle of the range right now on the 200 NT Rinko, so we're expecting a little bit of a bounce back. Here we go. We almost hit that target. Okay, so whenever we do this kind of things, the odds are we're going to jump in back up. Okay, here we go. Easiest fades. Because where's my stop is like literally one tick under that move, and I'm pretty much sitting there looking for 5 to 10 points. I left it for 10 points, which is really good, but that's what I did on that one. All right, we need to slow it down a little bit here because it's literally the beginning of the day and market gets a little bit crazy. But here you're getting a captain set up short and you got a 4 candle move. We took advantage of that one. We got a captain set up long. We took advantage of the move to the upside. So see that little retest? So that tells me that the market is stabilizing right here, and most likely we're going to go above 600. I'm not gonna participate in this move. I'm just gonna leave it alone. But that's what we're dealing with here. Ultimately, I'm looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity as long as we continue to trade under 645. That's where the biggest momentum is at. The flow is on the short side. Now they gave us a unique opportunity here that was very well defined, and I took advantage of it, but I'd rather be short than long in this type of market. All right. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I appreciate you spending your Friday with us. And good luck to you. Let's make it happen. All right. So we hit that target. That's fine. That's fine. Hit that target. The next target is 552. Target number 4 is hit. Target number 5 is going to be 45. Then I mean, obviously the 52 is going to come first. Then target number 5 of 45 is going to come after that. These candles are Ninja Rinko or NT Rinko. They're ninja trader Rinko candles. Hey James, how are you, buddy? The question is, how do I get involved in this rotation here? I mean, I need to be going to 552, right? That's what I need to be going to. How do I get involved? ES is moving lower, and you have a target of 45.31 and a half. Zone number 1 is 44 by 47, 50 by 53 is what we're looking for. Now we have a switch trade right here. Oh, not a switch trade, but the 50 NT wrinkle reversed. The next target is 45.31 and a half. We're seeing this, huh? Next target is 527. Harmony zone number one shifted to 77 by 87 and 602 by 612. We're looking for rallies to short into. This right here, they put on a captain setup. They failed. They ran into the FOMC meeting number of 58, and we're getting a bounce. Well, I mean, I wouldn't call this a bounce yet, but we're looking for the bounces to actually short into. Target is hit. Next target is 502. Harmony zone shifted again, 52 by 62 and 77 by 87. And rallies are shortable. I mean, right here, they started a new harmony wave. And they're still in that same harmony wave. It's early. That's fine. Let them. We made a couple of good trades. So let's just keep working here. So we made this trade right here for a short. It was a quick one. I didn't get filled properly, or I didn't captain setup, and then we left the market alone. And we're gonna see if we can trade in and around 9 o'clock. They're putting a switch trade right here. They're putting trigger trades across the board. I mean, that's just persistent selling pressure. I would suggest not get cute. Do not get cute and try to fade this market. You really need a reversal in the 200 in order for you to, for us to actually start even looking at a long proposition. Persistent selling pressure going on here. And it's only 15 minutes into the cash market right now. So at the top of the hour, we have preliminary consumer sentiment. So that's going to be a market mover. Sheila, good morning. So watch out for that. So what are we seeing here? I'm being patient and waiting. They put on a captain setup here in it now. It's just one of those things that rallies are shortable to proven otherwise, but they look like they're trying to pause this market right here. Top of the hour, we have news. Okay. I'm gonna keep it one. If this market closes up here, meaning you get another captain setup, I'm just gonna go with one contract for a 5 to 10 point target, and that's gonna be a fade, but it's fade. We got 6 minutes to the top of the hour. Okay, and my stop is literally right under that level. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go. Don't pause here. Too bad. That's worth a shot. All right, so 5. Good morning, Safe. Good morning. Target is hit. Next target is 477. Three minutes to the top of the hour. All right, testing harmony zone number one. I think we're hitting bottom here. The 200 and the 100 are out of sync. So now the market is just presenting us with some pockets of buy. Yep, here we go. Here we go. All right, the market is establishing channel number one right here. And it's breaking that channel, by the way. And you need to see, basically we came in to test harmony zone number one, and that zone is testing with a lower high. So that's a bearish behavior. The 200 and the 100 is out of sync, which means that the market is presenting us with two-sided market where you could go long, go short. The shorts are more powerful, so I will swing trade those. And if I see anything long, it will be more of a scalping trade than anything else. And the market has to do a whole lot. I will reevaluate this idea anything above 545. Hey guys on YouTube, I gotta apologize here. We're getting a lot of this notifications of dropped frames, so I don't know how fast you are seeing my stream. It seems like there's a little bit of a delay, so bear with us till we figure that issue out for you. Okay. It's been like that for the past couple of days. On the 40 NT Rinko, so I mean you're getting that going on here. Let's see how well they push this price. So what are we seeing here? What we're seeing here is a consolidation and multiple attempts at breaking that is getting bought. Like right here in this price action right here, we should have seen a bit of continuation trade and a break, and the market got bought back up. So as long as we hold on to harmony zone number one, then I'm going to be more interested in the shorts than the long. All right, I may jump on that one. Yeah. Let me see if I can get in. Let's see if I can get on. And the stop, where's my stop on that trade? Below 500, right? Come on, don't do that. That's not good. That is not good. All right. It is what it is. Gotta take it. Yeah, it's yeah. Just be careful. Be careful, Adam. I mean, I've been looking at some of the forums, that's out there, and they're saying the copier is acting up recently. So just be conscious of that. Or the value of the target is 45.19 is the next target. Harmony zone number one is 31 by 34 and 37 by 40. Let's keep working. Next target coming up. Next target coming up. It's 916. Next target coming up. Okay, they're trying here. They're trying. They're running into the 500 resistance. No, no. Robert G. Not in a trade. Look at this thing. How come you're not in the room, Robert? There's a delay on YouTube, so you're probably better off in the room. That's going to be an issue for the longs, at least for the short term. I mean, the shorts are definitely the ones that are, taking it to the bank. However, we're seeing a disconnect between the market right now. The 200 and the 100 is out of sync. There's a lot of overhead resistance, that's for sure. Damn, that's quick. It's 9:25. How's everybody doing so far? Adam, Brad, James, Jim, Ravanda, Safe, Sheila, Steven, Umair. Any trades? MKO, Robert, MK, Leons. No trades, no trades. Steven is up. Adam's down a little bit, I think. No trades yet for Umair. Okay. You're patiently waiting, waiting, and waiting, and waiting. I like it. Jim's 205 plus 205. Okay, good job. Robert, how's Robert doing over there? So you're getting a market. Here you go. So you really need to break above the 505 in order for any traction on the longs to show up. And you're getting this weird switch trade on NQ on the 100 NT Rinko. So that tells me these rallies is getting rolled over. I'm going to step away for just a moment. Bear with me. Okay. We're back. We're back. So what are we seeing here? We want to see. I mean, there's some patterns up there that it looks they look good. We have a little bit of a captain set up on the 40 NT Rinko, and you're getting a retest of Harmony Zone number one. The market is still have a short bias to it, and we'll reevaluate once you get to 520. So they're testing that break. I mean, that's what they're doing right here. They're retesting that break. So you break anything above '05, you're going to start getting movement into the 10 and potentially the 20s. Yeah, they're coming back into that zone here. There's a lot of noise in this area. I mean, they're just basically touching the harmony zone number one and constantly trading against it. And just remember, I mean, we've moved significantly lower from that early open into where we at. So it's normal to see the market kind of consolidate here for a little bit. Oh, 1501. As good as your fucking last motherfucking trade. Let's see here. 502. All right, so they're putting on a switch trade here. Switch trade here. Switch trade up here. Take it. Yeah, that's market's back in sync. I mean, they put on that switch trade right here and got back into this channel. So their attempt to hold on to that price ran into this resistance into harmony zone number one. I mean, really, it's the stop. Any rotation here is literally above 518. 518 would be a captain set up long on the 100 into Rinko. So I'm going to be looking for rallies right now to get myself into a short. I mean, that was a good one here. Inception trade. You have a switch trade short on ES. Come on. Why are you taking so long? I'll take a little bit here. It just things are slowing down right now. So that's a small profit. I mean, the idea here is really go all the way down to 52. But you know, when the market is slowing down like that around that area, I mean, you're thinking, okay, well, why? The expectation here is to see a little bit more flush in the market. I may get it. Here you go. Just without me. But I'll take the small profit. Oh yeah. Here you go. Target number 2, then 452. So, I mean, what was happening here? Market literally just came and did a railroad short. Look at these bastards. That was a good one though. That was a good one. Boom. The biggest trade of the year, right? So harmony zone. Okay, so we hit that target. So now next target is 427. 427, right? 427. And harmony zone number 1 is 477 by 487, 502 by 512. Good Lord. Good. Yeah, you gotta laugh, right? Hey, I take a profit any day. It doesn't matter. I'll take $10. This one was more than $10, but I'll take $10. There you go. Adam got some of that action. That's okay. I mean, me and you and we took profits. We took profits. Yeah, don't get cute with this market. No, sir. Don't get cute with this. Don't. You try to fade this, they eat your lunch. They will eat your lunch, buddy. So we're doing the right thing. We're doing the right thing. Oh. Don't get cute. mean, they're putting a captain setup short right here. And the next target is 427. So let's see if they hold it. Dropped frames, dropped frames. And we're about to hit that target, 427, 427, 427. Target is hit. Next target, 402. Zone number one is 452 by 462. I mean, that's just really slamming everybody here. Yeah, captain setup. We're getting captain setup here. I mean, they're putting captain setup in another captain setup. It's captain setup short into the 6 prong captain setup. I mean, that looks to me like they're trying to base it, but we'll see. I mean, that's a captain setup switch trade right there. I mean, that's good for a scalp at a minimum. That is, here you go, Adam. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go, buddy. That's a captain setup switch trade right here, and that's a bullish sign that the market is stabilizing against that low. And ultimately, you got to break that 44 and then start trading up here. So as long as that 20 is holding, you may get start getting higher lows in this market against this structure right here. But that structure got to hold, and we'll find that out once we break 444. If we break that, then that's good. And if it doesn't, then they're gonna collapse the structure. But that is a market that looks like it wants to pause from the selling pressure. Hey, there you go. I mean, they're perking the market up. Get it done. Get it done. Let's go. So when we're looking at this, we're asking ourselves, what, a couple of questions here. What is the market telling me here? The block of information that we are looking at right now, what is it structured as? And do we have an actionable decision here, or is this just a function of just waiting for the next block? So, for example, where we at right now, I mean, we're hitting basically target number 3 and bouncing back. We have harmony zone number 1. So this block, all of it, still telling me shorts are in control. Okay. Then you have this pocket of buyers that are attempting to hold the market. Okay. So as long as this market comes up to this block and reverses, that tells me that there's an accumulation phase here. They can actually come in and break it and then reverse. And that still would tell me that this block is still valid, meaning these buyers right here are in the process of accumulation. What is the market telling me here? So that's what this block of information is telling me. Okay. So if we break 445 and start chewing through harmony zone number 1, that's going to be a retest of, this zone. The shorts are still active. Obviously, they're just very active across the board here. But above 470, that will put a halt on the idea of trying to get short momentarily till the market provides us with more information. So the fact that we came into this block and produced this captain setup with a switch trade is putting a cap on price action and putting me in a defensive mode of trying to get short. But that doesn't mean I need to go and be aggressively long either. I'm just looking for more information in that direction. Okay? Okay. Why impulsively? Well, then that's gonna seal my fate on that one. here to say the market is, you got to break. Put my stop. I don't want to put my stop at 400, but yeah, here you go. That's a little bit of an aggressive trade, and I know it. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I think it's just a frame rate issue with YouTube, and I'm working on fixing it right after this stream is over. I know it's an aggressive trade, but we'll see. I'm gonna take it out. It needed to show a push here, and otherwise we're gonna get a bigger retracement, and I don't want to sit through that. I'll take a small stop and move on. Yeah, it is fairly weak. Let them actually, from that perspective of by the pullback and stuff like that. Seeing this kind of behavior right here, rounding behavior. And the break of it is above 44, and you're gonna get a push to this area right here. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Yeah, well, that's the 445. That's what I'm waiting on. We need the 445 to show up, so this boat can sail, right? They may not be scared. I mean, that's very possible. That's very possible. You start breaking anything under 15, then the gig is up, right? I mean, look at ES. ES is still holding the higher lows. I knew it was a bit of a kind of risky proposition, but need to be a little bit more patient with that trade too. Yeah, at the same time, guys, we gotta keep our head on a swivel and be prepared to see the longs and how they come, because it's not like they haven't made a habit out of making the market look desperate and reverse it. So I gotta keep my eye open on the idea. Well, they came to the bottom of the sailboat, Adam. Let's see if they hold on to that thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If they do that, Omer, yeah, that would be an issue. I'll call it sail in harmony. They're putting holes in that in the bottom of that ship. That's for damn sure. ES is coming back to that 11. They got to protect that 10, 09 and a half 10. Yes. A potential captain set up long on the 15T Rinko at 433. I'm glad that we're having a good time here today. Well, these kiddos they're about to drown if this thing keeps punching holes into this boat right here. There's water seeping. Uh, Obviously, I can't draw worth a damn. That's a switch trade. That's not good. That's literally almost like a force that could punch in here. So they need to come above this level very quickly. Look at that right here. That's an important area. That bottom of that boat is another area, and we want to see them get to that 45. It's an area of a lot of accumulation and distribution. You're seeing them taking out a stop here and another stop right here, and they attempted it here. So this rounding behavior is presenting itself. Here we go. $33.75. $33.75 is an important level. Now the question is, do I just take it all here or just give it a little bit of room and see if I can get big up there all the way to 70? I think I should be able to get to 70. Yeah, I think so. But that means I have to take a pullback into the 20s in order for that to happen. And I don't know what kind of day we're having here, but you know, it will probably, yeah. Just take it. No, take it, take it. I mean, with this captain set up on the 50 NT Rinko, at least get to Harmony Zone number 1. Yeah. Well, I mean, the trail would have got me out right here. All right, stop myself a break even on that last one, and I'll see if I can get back in. We got something out of it. necessarily call it. I would. It was a decent trade. I mean, the idea behind it is there. So, and it's still a valid one too. I mean, you got this captain set up, this captain set up with the switch trade. You got the rounding behavior. You got this captain set up that they failed. You got a lot of things going on in this. Trying to put a cap on this sell pressure. Watch with that little reversal. That's a railroad long, and should be pushing. We should be pushing higher here. Okay, and 415. It's not going to be smooth sailing either, but it will be this is a market that's making higher lows, relatively speaking, to the movement that we're. Oh yeah, nice channel. Yeah, I mean, this is what the market is telling us a story here, right? It told us it's. Here you go. Here you go. Two T2. Yeah. Well, you just gotta make sure that you protect your profits, make money, and go break even, and whatever happens happens at that point. Just make sure that's the case. Oh. Yep. Yeah, we should see that burst. I mean, that's how the market is lining up. Definitely that 36 to 46. That's a 10-point plus break even. Then you're looking for target number 2 as a target. Yeah, and it's a little bit of an aggressive move here at the bottoming of this behavior, but that's what we're detecting. We're detecting this. I'm not gonna say it's sailboat trade. And then you need this market to continue to make higher lows into into another run up here. And if the market collapses below 15, well, at least we recognize a pocket, right? And that's all I need to be doing is just recognize a pocket of area. Need to be doing is just recognize a pocket of area where. That's all I need to do. It doesn't matter if this whole structure collapses and we go down another 500 points lower, as long as from where I got in to where I got out. Yeah, it's an issue here, Born Thor. It is an issue, and I am actually. This is what it's looking like on my end here. It keeps dropping my frames, and once we get off this stream, I'm gonna reach to tech support at Stream Deck and try to fix it. But yeah, apologize for that technical problems that we're seeing here on the stream on YouTube. But we will definitely look into it and fix it for you guys for next Monday. like I'm not having issue with Zoom. Like we have another session, we have our private room on Zoom. Nobody's having that issue on Zoom, right? You guys are not getting dropped frames or delay in what you're seeing here. Is that accurate or no? All right, so it's almost the end of the morning session here, and this is where I'm at for the day. We kind of started the day decent, about up 450 bucks. We had one stop, and then we came back out of that into where we at right now. For the month, we are at 41.79 right now. Basically, it's a decent month because I mean, like literally, I had a couple of days, this one and this one, where I went through a bit of a drawdown, but ultimately just kind of, I think I was down 1,200 bucks, came back in and made that money. I was down a little bit about that much here and came back. So that's where we at. We're at equity high 41.79. Okay, well, let's see. The shorts are coming in, and they put on a switch trade right here, and they hit that level multiple times. We'll see. Yeah, somebody poked a hole in that in that boat. 70, guys. So 442, 442. If we break back up here to 442, then that's going to be a 70 NT Rinko Captain setup long, and that also coincides with a Captain setup long on the 50, and that would be a big event that could push the price higher. Okay. So far, the shorts are still presenting themselves as the strongest power here, and that doesn't mean I'm gonna short at the bottom of this move right here. That doesn't mean I'm gonna go long yet. But guess what? If I get to that 40, I mean, yeah, I mean 440. I mean, here it comes. I mean, here we go. I'm gonna have to start getting a little bit aggressive. And once it gets there, I'm gonna add to it at different levels. And I'm gonna take a chance. Here we go. Ooh, yeah, get me in, get me in, get me in. I don't want to get in here. Damn it. Hold on. All right, get me in, get me in. Yeah, I'm not gonna just jump in anywhere. I mean, I need a little bit of a pullback, and I'm actually being way too aggressive by taking the 37, because this market is, you know, can't pull back here. But I'll take the 37 and I'll take the 31, and then see where I'm at. 47. Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay, so if they do this, then I need a little bit more. So let me just do that. You're gonna watch this sail away. Sail, c'est la vie. Okay, here we go. Hey Mark, how are you? Are they seriously gonna just run this thing and not even let me in? Okay, I took profit on one and I'm gonna go break even and let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Well, here you go, MKO. Here you go. That's awesome to see, buddy. You went wild, huh? Come on, baby. Give me 70. Give me 70. You could do it. I got 10 points in this thing, and let's push for a bigger target on this thing. I mean, I got captain set up on the 50, captain set up on the 70. We saw this thing coming a mile away. Pay the man. Pay the man. Yeah, you got 30 NT switch trade. You know, just don't give me a hard time. Just pay me. That's all. That's all I'm asking for. Like, you know, if I take it right here, and I'll be happy too. It's not like I'm not going to be happy with it, but you know, just we got to train the muscle of holding on to trades for bigger targets, which means that I have to take on my initial profit, then sit through all the noise and all the pullbacks and all the bullshit basically, and look for a bigger target. I mean, that's what I have to do. So if they come back down here and take me out, fine. I just made some money. I'm good. Do your thing. I'd like to go to 70. I really do. It's climbing up a hill. That's for damn sure. Here we go. Come in here and just whack me, and that's fine with me. I mean, that's I already accepted the possibility that this can come back here and stop me, then run back up. I already accepted. If they that's what they want to do. Congratulations. Good job. I'm good with that. Hell, if even if they do a switch trade here, I'll even add to it. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go. Trust me, I asked exactly where it's going, Omer. That's exactly where it's going. But let's see it. Let's see it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here, damn it, I'm gonna have to sell it. Damn it. Like literally, this market is such a, yeah. Well, let's see. Let's see here. Let's not get too cute. And let's just put the order right here to add. And if I can get a one candle reversal, then I'm good. Then I'm gonna go break even again on the cost average. Ooh, that's a bad cost average actually. Come on, give me a couple of candles up. A good trade. Here you go. It's exactly what you should be doing. So I took that contract off, and then let's see if I can get another push. Yeah, I hate to do. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. Let's get out of this one. Let's get out of this one. I really want to hold on to it. That's fine. I really want to hold on to it. I really do, but it's just too noisy. Too noisy. Too noisy. If they put another switch trade, then I'll go back in there. All right, so that decision got us to 4406, right? Yeah, they're still playing games, but like right here, that's an entry point right there, 37. So 37, we should be pushing to the 44. This is a market that's you know, the shorts are not giving up either, but the longs are just showing a lot more resilience here. Okay, you gotta see the turn before the turn happens, and this is the what's that is. All right, guys, that's it for me. It's 11:15, past my bedtime, and